I made $160 million on Amazon last year. Here are the 7 truths about making money on Amazon that nobody tells you. Step number 1, sell your own product, not someone else's, and make sure it's great. Reviews are the lifeblood of Amazon. If you have no reviews, or even worse, bad reviews, you're not going to have any sales. When you manufacture your own product, you have complete control over quality, pricing, and branding. If I were starting today, I would avoid generic products from China where it is difficult, if not impossible, to differentiate. Your mission should be to build a high-quality, differentiated product that promotes brand loyalty, repeat buyers, and avoids constant price wars. Step number 2, leverage every Amazon tool possible. Amazon wants you to use new features. They'll oftentimes reward you for doing so by promoting your product in the algorithm. Examples would be promotions, FBA, subscribe and save. Be a first mover and test everything. And over time, keep what works. Step number 3, sell a consumable product, not a one-and-done item. A high-quality, consumable product will lead to repeat buyers, ongoing sales, and compounding reviews. My top 60 listings have over 130,000 reviews. You'd be hard-pressed to get that selling yoga mats. You might make money once, but there's no long-term growth because people buy it once and never return. Pick a niche with real staying power. Step number 4, have a competitive advantage. What makes your product different? If you can't answer that for yourself, you're likely going to struggle articulating that to a potential customer. I picked air filters with a business model of being vertically integrated, which allows for better pricing and faster shipping. Our triple threat is that 90% of our products ship in a day while offering competitive pricing and a high quality product, which leads to unbeatable reviews. Step number 5, master Amazon's selling models. Amazon has 3 ways to sell. You need to understand the differences and pick the right one for you. With first party or 1P, you sell directly to Amazon and they control pricing and inventory. Fill by Amazon or FBA, you send in inventory, Amazon stores it and ships it and pays you once it's sold. Fulfilled by merchant or FBM, you handle fulfillment, which gives you more control and less fees. But in my experience, the trade-off is less algorithmic favor. There's a subset of this called Seller Fulfilled Prime, which we take advantage of, but it is not realistic for most small sellers starting out. Truth. In our experience, Amazon favors first-party sellers. They get priority on new features, better rankings, and fewer penalties. Step number 6, advertise smart or get buried. You can grow organically, but it takes time. Ads are non-negotiable when launching. The reason for this is Amazon won't push your product without sales. So unless you're a big established brand with a large customer base, ads are essential to get that initial traction. Most people lose money on ads because they don't track their ROI. Be strategic or burn cash fast. Step number 7, build for longevity, not quick cash. Amazon is more saturated than ever, meaning you need an edge. On top of a best-in-class product and selection, we still invest heavily in high-quality images, better videos, and premium packaging. Most sellers won't. I expect 0 profit in year 1 from launching new products. Real wealth comes from dominating for 3 to 5 years. If I were starting today, I'd focus on something I could manufacture myself, ideally in the US, and forget this whole buy from China and slap a brand on it model. It's outdated. Big warning. Don't rely 100% on Amazon. Amazon can change the rules overnight. Just last week, they shut down one of our top selling products, which sells over $250,000 a month for 2 days following one customer complaint. While 55 to 60% of product searches currently originate on Amazon, it's my opinion that social selling on platforms like TikTok and whatnot is the future. If I were starting today, I'd probably launch on TikTok Shops first, then expand. First mover advantage around platform shifts can really pay dividends quickly. Final thoughts. Pick one sales channel, master it, expand later. Most people spread too thin and never get traction. Amazon was our launch pad, but now we're everywhere. If you're starting today, go all in on your first platform, learn it, optimize it, scale it. Those are the 7 truths about making money on Amazon in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no BS Amazon insights. See you in the next one.